Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts and van life adventurers. Today, we are taking an exclusive look at a revolutionary leap in the camper van industry that is completely rewriting the rules of mobile living. If you have ever looked into traditional van conversions, you know they usually involve heavy custom woodworking, complex aluminum extrusions, and endless hours of manual fitting. However, one visionary builder has just disrupted the entire process by introducing the world to what is being called the first ever fully three-dimensional printed luxury camper van. This groundbreaking project comes from the brilliant mind of Brandon Buckley, the founder of Buckley Conversions. After spending 13 years living full-time in a van and dedicating a decade to building them, Buckley decided it was time to push the boundaries of modern manufacturing. Instead of relying on traditional wood or metal, his team utilizes advanced scanning technology and massive industrial printers to create lightweight, modular plastic components that fit together like an absolute glove. The prototype for this state-of-the-art recreational vehicle is built on the impressive electric Mercedes-Benz eSprinter, featuring a 144-inch wheelbase. From the outside, the van maintains a completely stealthy and unassuming profile, looking just like any standard commercial electric van on the road. This stealth factor is highly sought after by travelers who want to park overnight without drawing unnecessary attention. But the real magic happens the moment you open the doors and step inside. Unlike other builds that might use a printer for a few decorative trim pieces or small accessories, this concept features an interior that is almost entirely manufactured through three-dimensional printing. By replacing heavy wooden cabinets and metal frames with these precision-engineered plastic parts, the team managed to shed an astonishing 1,500 pounds compared to their previous standard builds. That massive weight reduction is a total game-changer for an electric vehicle, significantly improving both battery range and overall driving dynamics. This innovative approach offers extreme weight savings while opening the door for unprecedented customization for buyers. Every curve, corner, and storage compartment is perfectly integrated into the interior shell of the eSprinter. It's a stunning blend of high-tech manufacturing and luxurious practicality, proving that the future of off-grid adventure is lighter, smarter, and infinitely more customizable. Let us know your thoughts below.